Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Toshi Meme Coin. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type sushi.com. This will land you on the official website of Sushi, where you will have to hover over to the top right hand corner and then you will have to click on Connect Wallet. Now, after connecting your wallet, you will have to select the base network. So in order to select the base network, you will have to click on Ethereum, and among the given networks, you will have to search for base and you simply need to select base. After that, you will have to click on the switch network in your Trust wallet. Then you just have to scroll down and here you will have to select the Ethereum that you want to swap. After that, you will have to select the Toshi coin. So you will have to click on this drop arrow button and then in the search bar, you will have to search for Toshi. Here you will be able to see Toshi old and Toshi. So you will have to select the new one. Then you will have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to swap into Toshi coin. Then you are going to see the transaction fees that you need to pay. So over here you will have to click on the swap button. Then you are going to see a confirmation page in front of you where you will have to click on confirm in order to confirm your Toshi Inu coins. Once done, you will be able to see that now your Toshi Inu coin is in your Trust wallet. If you have connected Trust wallet over here, or in your MetaMask wallet, if you have connected your MetaMask wallet over here. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.